This video introduces an interesting feature of Ceetron Analyzer, situations. This is what we call the set of properties used to fully configure the display of the model. They include, for example, part settings, the current scalar result, the current vector result, any cutting planes or isosurface or isovolumes, overlay plots, view background, view position, etc. All these properties can be stored as a situation when working with a source model. There are two interests in doing this: reapplying the situations on the same model in another working session, and applying the situations on other similar target models, which is very useful when post-processing similar variations of the same model. Clicking on the Situations tree item brings up an information text and situation management buttons in the workspace bottom pane. The text is self-explanatory. Use the buttons to clear all stored situations, export all of them, or import all of them to and from an archive. Let's create a new situation. First, we configure the view, setting the properties we wish to store in the situation. In this example, we choose to display the X displacement on the second load case and at time t equals 2 seconds. Going back to the workspace, the situation is created by clicking on the plus sign next to the Situations feature tree item. The situation is inserted in the feature tree in a folder named as the source model, and its properties appear in the workspace bottom pane, where you can adjust the default values. Note that a snapshot image has been taken for easier identification. You can change the situation name and click Save to record your changes. Situations are attached to their source model and appear as such in the feature tree. When we close and reopen the current model, we can jump to a given situation quite easily. Select the situation you wish to recover. It appears in the workspace bottom pane. Then simply click on the Apply button to get back to work where you left it. And you can store multiple situations to easily browse through your preferred post-processing configurations.